Welcome students. In this session, we discuss about conversion of solids. Each and every solid that exists occupies some volume. When we convert one solid shape to another, its volume remains the same, no matter how different the new shape is. Let us discuss some examples to understand this better. Conversion of solids from one shape to another with no change in volume. Conversion or transformation becomes a common part of our daily life. For example, a goldsmith melts a bar of gold, transforms it to a jewel. Similarly, a kid playing with clay shapes it into different toys. A carpenter uses the wooden logs to form different household articles or furniture. Likewise, the conversion of solids from one shape to another is required for various purposes. In this section, we will be learning problems involving conversion of solids from one shape to another with no change in volume. Here we need to remember that the volume of the original as well as the new solid remains the same. Example 7.29. A metallic sphere of radius 16 cm is melted and recast into small spheres each of radius 2 cm. How many small spheres can be obtained? See here, a big metallic sphere is melted and recast into small spheres. We have to find the number of small spheres can be obtained. A big metallic sphere radius 16 cm, small sphere radius 2 cm. We need to find the number of spheres. Simply you divide the volume of metallic sphere by volume of small sphere. See here, number of small spheres equal to volume of big metallic sphere by volume of small sphere. Volume of sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube. For big metallic sphere, substitute capital R, small sphere, substitute small r. Here, this 4 by 3 and 4 by 3 cancel. Substitute for r, 16 into 16 into 16, small r, 2 into 2 into 2. Here we can use more ways to simplify the numbers. You can follow your own method. See, listen. This 2 and 16 get cancelled, 8, and again divided by 2, 4, again divided by 2, 2. Remaining numbers 16 into 16 into 2, 512. So, number of small spheres equal to 512. Example 7.30. A cone of height 24 cm is made up of modeling clay. A child reshapes it in the form of a cylinder of same radius as cone. Find the height of the cylinder. Here the child converts the cone into cylinder. Here we have to notice that the radius is same. Height of the cone is given. We have to find the height of the cylinder. Listen carefully. Cone, take radius as r and height 24 cm. For cylinder, same radius. So take radius as r. Let us take height as small h. Volume of the cylinder equal to volume of cone. Volume of cylinder pi r square h. Volume of cone 1 by 3 pi r square h. Substitute the values. Listen carefully. Here pi and pi get cancelled and both the radius are same. So pi r square is the common term. Both the terms are cancelled. Then this 3 and 24 get cancelled, 8. So h is equal to 8. Height of the cylinder equal to 8 cm. Example 7.31. A right circular cylindrical container of base radius 6 cm and height 15 cm is full of ice cream. The ice cream is to be filled in cones of height 9 cm and base radius 3 cm having a hemispherical cap. Find the number of cones needed to empty the container. See here, ice cream is in cylindrical container. We have to fill this ice cream in cones, which is a combination of cone and hemisphere. We have to find the number of cones. Listen, for cylinder radius 6 cm, height 15 cm given. Next, a cone is the combination of cone and hemisphere. So, cone plus hemisphere radius 3 cm, height 9 cm. We have to find the number of cones. So, simply we can divide the volume of cylinder by volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. Number of cones equal to volume of cylinder by volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. We know the formulas. Substitute the values. In numerator, we substitute the measurement of cylinder denominator, substitute the measurement of cone and hemisphere. See here, this 3 and 3 get cancelled, and here this 3 and 3. Numerator write as it is. For denominator take pi as common. 3 9s are 27, 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18. This pi and pi get cancelled. See here, 6 into 6 into 15. 27 plus 18, 45. Here we can use our own method to simplify the numbers. I follow this. 1 15s are 15, 3 15s are 45. Next, 6 and 3 get cancelled, 2. So 6 2s are 12. Number of cones equal to 12. In our book, the solution of this example sum is very difficult to follow. This method is very easy to you. All the sums are very important 5 marks. Practice well. Thank you.